Introducing Mobile WiMAX, a wireless wide area network technology that will deliver broadband internet access from service providers. Mobile WiMAX will provide a wide blanket of coverage over metropolitan-size areas. As a result, there will be no need for hotspots. Anywhere you go within a wide coverage range, you'll get a full, rich internet experience, much as you'd expect on your broadband connection at home. Let's take a closer look at how Mobile WiMAX will work and how it can change the rules for wireless mobility, quality of service, and performance. Wi-Fi networks are great, but they use unlicensed ISM frequency bands, whereas Mobile WiMAX can take advantage of licensed spectrum owned by wireless service providers. This will allow a signal that is free of interference versus Wi-Fi, which can be subject to interference from devices that also emit signals and noise over that spectrum, such as other wireless networks, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz cordless phones and microwaves. Wi-Fi network power levels measure in the tens of milliwatts, but Mobile WiMAX base station power levels will be 1 to 2 orders of magnitude greater. This will enable far greater distances to be covered by a Mobile WiMAX base station versus a Wi-Fi access point. As with cell phones, Mobile WiMAX coverage will take advantage of sectorized antennas on towers. Depending on terrain and other factors, a single Mobile WiMAX tower can generally provide coverage over a radius of 1/2 to 2 kilometers. And again, like cellular phone service, wider coverage of many miles can be achieved by using an array of towers. In fact, Mobile WiMAX antennas will often be placed on existing cellular towers to simplify the build-out of the technology, while also making it more cost-effective. Picocell base stations or repeaters can fill in coverage gaps or be used inside buildings where signal penetration is limited. Mobile WiMAX will be near non-line of sight, which really helps when it comes to covering wider areas. Objects such as buildings can act as mirrors, enabling WiMAX signals to bounce off of them as they travel to and from the tower and your device. Mobile WiMAX devices and towers will take advantage of MIMO, a technology using multiple antennas for transmitting and receiving signals to collect reflected energy and create a more reliable signal. In addition, Mobile WiMAX will tolerate longer multipath signal delays, up to 10 microseconds, versus the sub-microsecond delays tolerated by Wi-Fi. Unlike Wi-Fi, where all devices on the wireless LAN listen and communicate only when it appears that the network is quiet, much like a conference call between multiple parties, Mobile WiMAX communications will be coordinated by the base station and WiMAX back-end infrastructure. Mobile WiMAX will also enable more efficient communications, including rich quality of service or QoS features that can be built from the ground up to support a seamless voice and video experience. Plus, Mobile WiMAX can take advantage of very wide bandwidth to offer a unique mix of performance and throughput. For instance, it can adjust performance based on signal strength, which can vary based on the distance from the base station or on other sources of signal degradation. Mobile WiMAX is designed for future scalability, whereas 3G is overlaid on a legacy voice network. Mobile WiMAX can be built upon an IP infrastructure, enabling it to take advantage of Moore's law, meaning that bit throughput will continue to increase while the cost of delivering those bits continues to decline. These features and capabilities are why Mobile WiMAX represents the future of wireless broadband.